How to add money to Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you the way on how you can add money to your Cash App. So the way to add money to your Cash App is very simple. First thing first, you'll need to make sure that you must have already linked your bank account, either your debit card or your credit card, into your Cash App account. In order to add money to your Cash App account, you'll need to log in first of all, and then click on this building icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to My Cash page. On this page, you need to click on Add Cash, which is located right on top. On the other page, you'll be asked to type in the exact amount that you wish to add it to your Cash App balance. So type in the amount and then click on the Add button. Next page, you'll be asked to select from where you actually want to add the amount, either from your debit card or from your bank account. So you need to select either one of these options, and also make sure that you have enough funds. And once you're done with that procedure, automatically the balance will be added to your Cash App. In this way, you can add money into your Cash App. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.